manual mode. Unable to take off. Charge battery. Warm up battery before use in low temperature environment.
Low temperature environment, not in Texas. Oh, battery overheat. Uh-oh. What am I supposed to do now? What's up, pilots? Every flight is a lesson, and the lesson today is pushing the DJI Neo 2 to its limits. Everyone is talking about the Neo 2, so I decided to add one to my fleet. Let's see what this little guy is going to do today. No hold, one take, let's go. Okay, I need 30 degrees angle, that's what I'm used to. Okay, before we fly, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my rates. Those are the rates that I'm comfortable with. Those are the rates that I just copied from the Avata 2. Let's start the motors. And let's go. So this is the first time I'm gonna be flying it like with the freestyle kind of maneuvers. Let's see how is it going to hold. Okay, let's hit this gap here. Hit this gap and go under the trees. It's wind coming from the left right now, so the wind kind of pushing it. I can feel it, but nothing major. Oh, first roll, and it did this kind of weird flip. I'm not sure why. Let me try again here. Oh, did it again. Oh. Let's try here. Woo! Okay, the flips so far, they're not working very well. Let's do a split S. Okay, that's not bad. A little bit better on the roll. Let's try a roll here. I'm not quite sure about this roll. You keep flipping backward. I have no idea why. I have no idea why it's doing that. Let me go a little bit higher. Maybe this is the wind? I don't know. Let's do a back flip. Okay, not bad on the back flip. Not bad at all. Let's do forward flip. Okay. That works so far. What hasn't worked is the roll. I'm not sure why. Let's try another one here. Not really. Let's try the other side. Not really. Maybe it's the camera angle. Let me go to 20. Yeah, that's better. It worked. That's much better. I think it just didn't like the camera angle. Oh, battery overheat. Uh-oh. What am I supposed to do now? Okay, let me start moving forward so I can cool it down if that's what the issue is. I don't know. I've never had this problem before, so I don't know what to do other than I'm just going down. Battery overheat. You see the message? Is that it? Is it gonna cool down? I mean, it's like 100 and something degrees right now. Okay, I switched to sport mode, and it's still showing camera overheat, and I'm in a sport mode right now. Is it gonna cool down? Buzz in the tower. What does that mean? Does that mean probably I cannot switch back to Manual mode, let me see, can I? It won't let me. I'm trying to go to manual mode and it won't let me. Okay, I think I don't want to blame it on the Neo, the little Neo, because it's Texas and right now the temperature is like 110. It feels like 110 degrees, so I probably can't blame it on the Neo. I cannot say that. Let's just bring it back. So battery overheat, y'all. Though it's back in one piece. Here it is. We've done some maneuvers with it. That's not bad. What do you think? Do you like it? Would you want to buy it to do some freestyle stuff? I think this is like more kind of fly it under trees, maybe low, surfing trees and stuff like that. I think that's much better use of it than do freestyle. I've seen some people do freestyle on it on Facebook and YouTube, but I don't know if they're in Texas. This is very hot here, and overheat the battery like right away. So I couldn't do anything anymore. So I get this message that says battery overheat, and I couldn't go back to manual mode. But regardless, this is a lesson for today. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next mission.